Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Espn app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So and you come to next step, then all you have to do, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to apps list and you just go down here to looking for your your Espn app. So you just go down here, so and you search for it here in this list, and you can only search for it here. So I'm going to search for it here, then you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step, then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down here, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list, then you just click here on clear cache. And all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store and you search for your Espn app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, so just click on it and it's going to fix with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.